Alright guys, welcome back. Today we are learning how to create a typing animation effect using a popular JavaScript library called Typed.js. If you've seen websites where text types itself like a human in typing, that's what we are building today. And the good part, we don't have to build everything from scratch. What is Typed.js? Typed.js is a small JavaScript library that creates a typewriter animation effect instead of manually typing complex code or typing complex animation logic. We just configure it. Alright, so this is me trying to just write some things on our HTML. So we write the H1 and just type I am and write an inline element which is a span here. So the span with the ID of typed. So this is where the typing effect will appear. Alright, so after that we need the CDN link. Alright, so we load the type.js library into our project. So you just need to come to your Google and type type.js and you type CDN. You just prompt your Google and the first link here, you click on it. Alright, so after that you can see we have all of this. You copy the one in the middle, right? You copy it, so you can see it showed us copied after we clicked on it. Alright, so we come back to our code, our VS code, and we paste it here. Alright, we pasted it here. We just Ctrl S so that everything formats properly. Beautiful, it's being formatted now. Alright, so this is how this is for now. So I think we need to run the code, so we just see what is on the browser for now before we add any JS. Okay, so let's come back to our HTML and try running this code. So we'll run the code now and we'll check our browser. So this is it. Alright, so yeah, so you can see I am a. This is what it looks like. I'm just trying to reduce the font size because I zoomed it a lot. Okay, so this is it here. Okay, now we are in our JS here. We are in our JavaScript. We just create a variable typed equals new type, and we write the ID inside of here. So the ID is what typed. So you do hashtag typed and you write comma. Okay, so you write comma. No, not there. We clean this inside here. So comma and yeah, we write the string. So this string now just contains what we want to display, what we are trying to display there. Okay, so we write the string. So one thing you just need to understand is that the place you can see new typed and you see the ID hashtag typed and all of this, we just created a new typing instance, okay, with the ID of what type. That one just targeted the element ID, and this string is what is an array of words to type. This is what is going to show on the browser. All right, we have the type speed. Okay, so this type speed is just like the speed of typing. It's in milliseconds, so millisecond per character. Okay, and you can see this back speed here is the speed of deleting. Okay, and we'll just add one more thing, which is the loop. The loop is true, which means what it keeps repeating forever. Okay, so what happens now? It types developer, delete it, types designer, delete it, types content creator, delete it, and it repeats it. That's it. So you can see I'm a content creator, he deletes it. I'm a developer, he deletes it, and you can see how it works. Alright, so we'll just try to customize our type.js. Okay, so you can see that the type speed, we reduced it to 50. Now it is lower, which means it is now faster. We are going to add a delay before the backspace. Okay, so the back delay is 1500, which means it waits before deleting. Okay, and yeah, we could maybe make this, let's just set it back to true. Right, so after setting it back to true, let's just go back and see how it works. So by default it starts immediately, so you can see it waits before it deletes. So now you can see everything is working beautiful. So we could just change this to like false first, and yeah, everything works perfectly beautiful. Yes, very, very beautiful. So now these are what we've done so far. This is just what it looks like. This is what we've done so far. So now we just need to do some editing, like to make it like in a real portfolio example. Okay, so we're just going to change these strings that are here to web applications. The next part to, what do we change it to? Modern, we could say modern interfaces. Okay, I think we could change this last part as well, right? So we could add series of stuff that we believe that we can use. Okay, so JavaScript project. So this is enough. So I think we could just add the type speed. So let's add the type speed to like 80, the back speed to like 40, right? It's going to be okay. So the back speed to 40, and the delay should be reduced to like 8,000. Okay, so this is how it is. So some common mistakes that beginners make is like forgetting to include the CDN, wrong element ID, maybe loading script before DOM, or typing wrong selector. Okay, so this is it. We're just going to edit this HTML. Is something that is very simple. So when should you use the Typed.js? You could use it when maybe building a portfolio, landing pages, personal brand website, tech, blog, hero section, and more. Okay, so we've edited this part already. So we're just writing the H2 here. Okay, so you do not use it excessively everywhere. So you can see I build web application, it's going to delete. I build modern interfaces, it's going to delete. And it's going to write I build JavaScript project. So today we learned what Typed.js is, how to install it using CDN, how to configure typing animation, and how to customize speed and loop. This is a simple but powerful way to improve UI. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in our next JavaScript series. Thank you.